Hello guys, how's it going? As always, thank you for letting me into your space. So before we talk about today's topic, I just need you guys to understand that with my years of experience in the tech industry, I can categorically tell you that regardless of any niche that you pick, to become an expert in your niche, you must at least understand a programming language or a programming script. Regardless of if you're a network engineer or you find yourself doing cloud computing, even when you need to do some deployments of servers or manage them Kubernetes or the containers and all, even with virtual machines, etc. like that, you need to understand either a script or a programming language, most especially Python. The same thing goes to cybersecurity. And even the one that everybody feels that, oh, you don't need a programming skill or blah, 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 this is this. That's as a as a product designer. As a product designer, for you to be on top of this pyramid scheme, you need to understand a programming language. This is a fact. This is what I have been able to understand through my years of experience. For the environment scene that we have here, you can see the topology. I added what you call the turbulence, the wind force, and all those things like that. And before I forget, this environment scene was actually inspired from my gameplay experience with Alan Wick. Go check it out. It's my favorite game at the moment. And if you want to learn how to properly composite CGI projects, just like what you have here, I would advise you to join my WhatsApp community where you can interact with other enthusiasts and learn more. And above all, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. To the business of the day. Apparently, there used to be a time Blender had its own dedicated game engine. But reasons best known to them, they decided to shut it down, which made game developers like you and I to look for third-party engines like the Unreal Engine, Godot, and Amori 3D. But as at November 2023, the good news I discovered is the Blender game engine is back. And this time around, it's called upbge. The upbge is a game engine that can be fully integrated into Blender, provided you understand Python script or language. Even if you don't, you can still find your way around it. Another good news about upbge is the fact that it gets updated frequently to serve us better. And I say it like the continuation of the old Blender engine. The process of installation is extremely effortless. You don't need to transfer your asset to the third-party applications anymore. And even in the upbge engine, like I said, you can create the upbge engine. You can create your game assets, your game environment, and everything, and you program it thereafter. So, as a Python programmer, I believe getting yourself acquainted with the upbge engine should be extremely effortless for you. It should be an effortless task, and good luck with that. And I can't wait to hear from you.